Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
How was your 4th? So yes, make sure you put in the comments, how much did you make? Did you go out, or did you say, screw it, I'm just not going to deal with the headache. I'm going to enjoy the fireworks or the festivities, cookout, whatever it might be. Or did you go out and drive, and how much was it? Was it surging a lot? What was going on? So make sure you put in the comments exactly what that is. Let's see. Could you beat this driver? Whew, look at that.
I couldn't. And then he emailed me. He goes, this was my second $1,000 day ever. He's in the Lake Tahoe. He's in the Lake Tahoe area. He's on the border of Nevada and California. $504 on Uber, $450.97 on Lyft, and two cash chips and bunch of cash. So without counting those, he was at $955. With that, he was over $1,100. And the reason for that, Chris, is because of those trips he made. Look at those trips, bro.
I know. Look at that.
4.68 miles, 11 minutes for $62.
Yeah, and for those who are just listening, it's Uber XL, so it's not black. It's just XL.
No. Yeah.
Less than 5 miles, $62.
Look at the next one. The next one's better.
Yeah. I mean, you got the one you got a $21 tip, the other one you got a $40 tip. So yeah, things like that add up quick. So I mean, right there is $130 that guy made for, just a few for literally 25 minutes of his time. So hell yeah.
No, I mean, you know what? But then look at how smart he was on Lyft. This is for all the ants, folks. Look at the Lyft. Look at his Lyft numbers.
Yeah. So he's got the driving stats pulled up, and it shows rides completed 9, and rides rejected 149.
That's the way to do it, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, you can't. I mean, think about it. You're online for 10 hours, and you still cleared $450 just on the Lyft app.
Online on both apps.
130 miles. So that means right there you grossed over $3 a mile.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it. And utilization was about 50%, just about. And not according to acceptance and completion. But if you look at he had both apps on all the time for 12 hours. And what did he do? Cherries. And he also did some X trips too. He didn't just do XL. And he was like, it must have been good luck because I wasn't behind the wheel. He goes, Uber must have sent me like all the good trips. I go, you're a dummy. That did not happen. If anything, Uber would have throttled you probably. But look at those trips, bro. It brings joy to my heart. That means look, that 468 or whatever miles for 11 minutes and 12 minutes had a $40 tip. So there are some good fucking people out there, man.
Some good people. Yeah. I mean,
there are some good riders out there.
Let's be real though. In the Lake Tahoe area, you're probably going to get tipped greater than other places just because of what it is, where it is, and all that. But yeah, and then on top of it, you're also adding the
there you go
holiday on it.
He's in San Diego. Look at that one. Good work. He doesn't have an SUV. He has a hybrid Sienna. Actually, he probably get better gas mileage than you.
This is more accurate. And strive down the algo market rates. Period. Rejection equals more money. 100%.
I can't say more. Can't say less. That's about
100%. Well, either way, put what you did in the 4th. Here, like I said, I was actually with the family, so I wasn't out. I said that last week. I said I'm just gonna enjoy. So yeah, we had the fireworks. It was crazy. It was fun. It was hot. That's for sure.
What I noticed though this year, okay, I posted it on X actually. I took like a 1.5-minute video of all the fireworks in the valley because we have like a 300-degree view of the San Fernando Valley. I posted it Chris, I noticed something this year. There were about 40% less fireworks this year because usually the whole valley would light up. So I don't want to get into the politics of it, but I think it made a big difference. So we'll see.
I mean, who doesn't want to blow off some fireworks? Either way,
Fuck, man.
Either way.
StreamYard.
No, you know what? One year I was in Vegas for the 4th, and we went to a parking ramp, and we were up top and just watching. Like any direction you look, we were in the middle of the city, so any direction you looked, it was just fireworks all over the place. And we got there probably like at 10 at night, and we stayed there till like 1, and there was no stoppage. So like even at like 1 o'clock in the morning, and they're still going strong. It was absolutely wild. But everywhere you looked, absolutely awesome. I mean, it was 100 degrees outside in the middle of the night, but still, it was nice.
look at Macrobake. He goes, last year I made $700 in 6 hours. Jesus. This year, $600 in 8.5 hours, and this 4th of July sucked. Look at it. See, this is typical driver. 8.5 hours, $600, or $60 an hour, or $70. What is that? $80 an hour? Yeah, 8 times 8 is 64. $75 an hour, and he's complaining. No wonder.
Hold on. That is pretty accurate with what we've seen from the decrease from last year to this year. So
okay, fine.
When it comes to the percentage,
you guys live in the past. Hey, it ain't coming back. Just keep moving forward. Yeah, there you go.
Well, I mean, hey, a driver made $1,000+ in one day. So chances are it still could happen. You just got to time it out right and hope for the best. So there's definitely times when you can go out there and take advantage. Try to as best you can, especially if you're trying to push hard. These types of days are absolute bonuses when they come.
You have
to enjoy while you got them.
No, I mean, anyway, let's move on. But I was just trying to say that, look, drivers, there are days that are good for you. You do it. You take your week's pay out of it. The rest of the time, you fuck around. You make a couple extra $300. You just cherry pick the shit out of it. Do whatever you're gonna do. But days like this are, celebrate these days. Don't just be sour pusses, man. Just be happy once in a while.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.